subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Honor has officially launched its new affordable smartphone under X series in China called Honor X50, with quiet premium-looking design. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Honor X50 features a tall 6.78-inch 1.5K resolution curved AMOLED display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 1200 nits of peak brightness support. The phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset, paired with Adreno 710 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8, 12, or 16 GB of RAM and 128, 256, or 512 GB of onboard storage. In terms of optics, the Honor X50 sports a dual-camera setup under circular ring at the top center that carries a 108-megapixel main camera with f1.75 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 8-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.0 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5,800 mAh battery, with 35 watts fast charging support, and on the software front, the handset runs on latest Android 13 out of the box, with Magic OS 7.1.1 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP53 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.6 by 75.5 by 8 mm, and it weighs around 185 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Honor X50 has been priced in China as follows. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from July 14th, in brown blue, elegant black, burning orange, and sunny after the rain color options. So, what do you guys think of this Honor X50 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.